Bonjour. Welcome to another simple French conversation designed perfectly for beginners. Today, you'll hear a dialogue at a border checkpoint, where a traveler talks about documents and travel plans in French. Make sure to watch until the end, where we'll review the most useful words and phrases with real examples. Let's get started. Bonjour. Vos papiers, s'il vous plaît. Hello. Your papers, please.
Bonjour. Voici mon passeport et mon permis de conduire. Hello, here is my passport and driver's license.
Où allez-vous? Where are you going?
Je vais à Genève pour voir ma sœur. I'm going to Geneva to see my sister.
Combien de temps restez-vous en Suisse? How long are you staying in Switzerland?
Seulement 3 jours. Only 3 days.
Avez-vous quelque chose à déclarer? Do you have anything to declare?
Non, j'ai seulement des affaires personnelles. No, I only have personal belongings.
Avez-vous plus de 10 000 euros en espèces? Do you have more than 10,000 euros in cash?
Non, j'ai environ 300 euros. No, I have about 300 euros.
Transportez-vous de la nourriture ou de l'alcool? Are you carrying food or alcohol?
Juste quelques snacks et une bouteille d'eau. Just a few snacks and a bottle of water.
Voyagez-vous seul? Are you traveling alone?
Oui, je suis seule. Yes, I'm alone.
Avez-vous une réservation d'hôtel? Do you have a hotel reservation?
Non, je dors chez ma sœur. No, I'm staying at my sister's place.
Quelle est l'adresse de votre sœur? What is your sister's address?
Elle habite 10 rue du Lac, à Genève. She lives at 10 rue du Lac in Geneva.
Avez-vous le certificat d'immatriculation du véhicule? Do you have the vehicle registration certificate?
Oui, le voici. Yes, here it is.
Merci. Un instant, s'il vous plaît. Thank you. One moment, please. Tout est en ordre. Vous pouvez continuer. Everything is in order. You may continue.
Merci beaucoup. Bonne journée. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Bonne route et bienvenue en Suisse. Safe travels and welcome to Switzerland.
Merci. Thank you.
Great job. You just got through a simple French conversation. Now let's take a look at some of the useful words you learned, along with examples from the dialogue. Ready? Let's go. Nouns.
Papier.
Papers.
Passeport.
Passport.
Permis de conduire.
Driver's license.
Sœur.
Sister.
Nourriture.
Food.
Bouteille.
Bottle.
Adresse.
Address.
Véhicule.
Vehicle. Verbs.
Aller.
To go.
Rester.
To stay.
Déclarer.
To declare.
Transporter.
To carry.
Voyager.
To travel.
Dormir.
To sleep. Adjectives.
Seul.
Alone.
Beaucoup.
A lot. Well done. You've just learned how to handle a border control conversation in French, talking about your passport, travel destination, what you're carrying, and how long you'll stay. Rewatch the video a few times to become more confident with the vocabulary and phrases. We post new videos regularly, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. À bientôt!